Hello friends, welcome to the Occidental Roca Negra in Gran Canaria, where volcanic cliffs meet modern comfort. As you walk in, the atmosphere is calm, welcoming, and full of natural light. Check-in is quick and easy, with friendly staff ready to help. Hallways are clean and quiet, leading you to your peaceful escape. The room is spacious and modern, with a cozy bed and elegant design. Step out to your private balcony and take in the panoramic ocean views and the swimming pool. The on-site restaurant offers stylish dining with both indoor and terraced seating. Start the day with a generous breakfast buffet, plenty of fresh fruit, pastries, and hot dishes. In the evening, enjoy international cuisine, seafood, and themed dinner nights. There's also a well-equipped event space for meetings or private gatherings. Relax by the pool with ocean views, plenty of loungers, and a tranquil vibe. Just a short walk leads to the natural swimming pools mountains and rocky coastline. Don't miss the Rocktop Sky Bar, perfect for sunset cocktails and stunning views. The gym is compact but modern, great for keeping up your routine while traveling. At night, the hotel lights up beautifully, peaceful and inviting. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more hotel tours and travel inspiration.